Hello everyone. Welcome to Lify Life, Prostatitis, who is at risk and how to prevent the development of the disease. This is a fairly common urological disease, which is a common reason men go to the doctor. Prostatitis is an ailment that suffers, according to various sources, from 40 to 70% of men. How does the disease manifest itself? How is it detected? These and other questions were answered by a urologist. How autumn stress affects men's health. During the year, there are two dangerous periods for a man's health, spring and autumn. This is the time of possible exacerbations of any chronic and inflammatory diseases, both old and new. More often it is associated with prostatitis. If recovery after winter is important for the spring period, then in the fall, the weakening of immune forces due to lower temperatures and hypothermia, a decrease in the length of the sunny day are most feared, which results in less vitamin D production and, as a result, hormone production decreases. First of all, testosterone is an important hormone that the male body badly needs. At the age of 35 plus, a man is already at risk of early aging of the prostate gland and the appearance of signs of prostate adenoma. This increases the risk of inflammatory diseases against the background of adverse external influences. Reduced physical activity is also one of the reasons not conducive to men's health, because the colder it gets outside, the less we move. This negatively affects the blood flow in the pelvic organs and causes congestive inflammatory changes in the prostate gland. In this case, the issue of the occurrence of prostatitis or exacerbation of already chronic inflammation of the prostate again becomes relevant. Invisible enemy. Prostatitis often develops without obvious signs. For 1, 2 or even 10 years, a man can repeatedly suffer the disease without noticeable symptoms. This increasingly aggravates damage to prostate tissue, causing irreversible changes in the prostate and the entire urinary system. The prostate needs to actively fight with the negative influences that surround us in the fall. And this year, the stress that all Ukrainians experience is added to them. Therefore, it is necessary to take care of the prostate gland, to supply it with the necessary trace elements and minerals that will increase its ability to withstand negative influences, immune, viral, bacterial. They will also actively restore damaged areas for the full functioning of the entire urinary system. The work of the genitourinary system, in particular the prostate gland and testicles, which are responsible for the production of testosterone, affects the safety and quality of the cardiovascular system. With an imbalance, there are risks of thrombosis, heart attack, stroke and other life-threatening conditions. How does prostatitis manifest? Symptoms of prostatitis include blunt pain, discomfort in the lower abdomen, pain during urination and defecation, frequent urge to urinate, ejaculation accelerates, potency decreases. Often there is a deterioration in the general condition, possibly the appearance of depression. Acute prostatitis is characterized by more pronounced symptoms: heat, fever, heat, sharp pains in the perineum, in the groin, above the pubis, in the anus. Basic rules for the prevention of prostatitis. 1. Avoid hypothermia. Even slight repeated hypothermia can be the beginning of the disease. 2. Regular healthy sex. 3. Physical activity, so that there is no stagnation of blood circulation in the small pelvis. It can be walking, outdoor work, swimming, or a light 15-minute workout, but daily. 4. Diet. You should not lean on spicy, fatty and salty foods daily. Be sure to include in your diet fresh vegetables and fruits, nuts, fish. This will contribute to a balanced diet, as the body will receive important vitamins and trace elements necessary for men's health. What doctors most often recommend to patients with prostatitis? These are minerals and plant substances aimed at restoring the genitourinary system and stimulating its functions. For example, pumpkin seeds, very often used as a source of trace elements, vitamins and antioxidants, have an anti-age effect on the male reproductive system and normalize blood cholesterol levels. Flax seeds are plant phytoestrogens and polyphenols that reduce the rate of formation of prostate adenoma, the rate of its aging and the risk of developing cancer. Flax seeds are rich in magnesium, B vitamins, phosphorus, fatty acids. These substances are necessary for a balanced production of hormones, including in the genitourinary system, and to strengthen local immunity. Soy isoflavonoids, aimed at normalizing and stimulating the reproductive function of men and the genitourinary system, reduce the frequency of urination disorders. Zinc and selenium are natural antioxidants that normalize metabolism and energy metabolism. They are very important for the production of prostate secretion, normalization of the functions of spermatogenesis, fertility, improvement of sperm quality, as well as for stimulating the work of the prostate gland, the reproductive and endocrinological systems of men. Vitamin C is a source of free radicals, improves microcirculation and has a positive effect on the immune system. The best option for determining which drugs to take is to consult a qualified urologist. After examination and testing, the doctor will prescribe you the appropriate vitamin complex, which includes important vitamins and trace elements. In any case, I do not recommend self-treatment, even if the drug seems safe and necessary to you. It is always better to consult a specialist, a urologist, and consult about the complex of vitamins and minerals that interests you. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like the video and subscribe for our new content. Click the bell sign to stay in contact with updates from us. Hope seeing you back on Lify Life.